Hello children, I'm Asmita Srivastav. Welcome in your mathematics class. And before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, so please subscribe to it, like and share our videos and press the bell icon to get new videos updates. And this video is applicable for class 1 and 2 both. Okay children, I'm going to show you some things here and you have to identify the things and tell me what are these. Okay children, so let's start. What are these? What is this? What is this? Do you know? Yes, this is balloon. And what is this? Do you know what is this? This is birthday cap. Yes, you are right. And what is this, student? What is this? Yes, you are right. This is a heart. And what is this? Yes, you are right. This is a ball. And this is, what is this? Yes, you are right. This is a water bottle. Very good, student. And what is this? Yes, you are right. This is a pencil. And this is a sharpener. Very good. You are right. And what is this? Do you know what is this? This is dice. This is Ludo dice. Very good. And what is this, student? This is notebook. It means copy. Okay. What is this, student? Do you know what is this? Yes, you are right. This is bangle. And what is this? Yes, you are right. This is a scenery. And what is this, student? Do you know what is this? We call this set square. Okay? So you all are knows what these things are. Very good children. You all are knows about these things. Now you tell me, do you know about these shapes? Can you tell me? Anyone? Do you know which shape is it? Do you know which shape is it? Water bottle? Do you know which shape is it? This is a ball. Do you know which shape? No. Okay, no issue. I'm going to tell you about the shapes. Okay? Then you tell me which shape these are. Okay children, so first I'm going to tell you what is shape. In geometry, a shapes can be defined as the form of an object or its outline, outer boundary or outer surface. Everything we see in the world around us has the two-dimensional or 2D square, rectangle and oval, or three-dimensional, it means 3D, cube, cylinder and sphere. In the objects we see around us. Now I am going to tell you about 2D shapes and 3D shapes one by one. I am going to explain about you 2D shapes or plane shapes. Okay. So first one is square. Now look at the picture. This is a square. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corner. This is called corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called sides. So 4 sides and 4 corner. All sides of a square are equal. Look at the picture. All sides of a square are equal. Okay. So now look at the example also. This is, what is this? This is a scenery, you know. Yes. Now you tell me which shape is it? Yes, you are right. This is a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner and all sides are equal. So this is a square. Okay, this is a square. So now next, this is a rectangle. Okay, now look at the picture. This is a rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. But its opposite sides are equal. Look at the picture. This side and this side is equal, and this side is equal. So its opposite sides are equal. Now look at the picture. I'm having a blank sheet for you. Okay, now look. What is this blank sheet now? So which shape it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner and opposite sides are equal. Look at the picture. Opposite sides are equal. So this is the example of a rectangle. You have also seen in your classroom blackboard. This is also example of rectangle. And you have also seen door. This is also example of rectangle. Now third one. This is a triangle. Triangle. Okay. This is a triangle. 3 sides and 3 corner. It has 3 sides and 3 corner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 corner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Okay. Now look at the example. This is a triangle. 1, 2, 3. And what is this? And what is this? Yes, this is a set square. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. And also one more example for you. This is a hut. Yes, this is a hut. And its roof is a example of triangle. 1, 2, 3. Roof is an example of triangle. Very good. Now, fourth one is circle. Circle. This is a circle. Look at the picture. This is a circle. Circle has no sides and no corner. Now look at the example. This is a, what is this? Everyone knows now? Yes, this is a bangle. Very good. And what is this? This is a watch. And what is this? This is watch dial. This is called dial. Dial is also example of circle. Very good. And last one is oval. Last one is oval. Oval has also no sides and no corner. Same as circle. Okay. Now look at the picture. And this is the example of oval. Balloon. What is this? Balloon. You know. This is the example of oval. And egg is also example of oval shape. So children, you all knows about two-dimensional shape. It means 2D shape or plane shape. Now I am going to explain about shapes or solid shapes. First one is cube. Look at the picture. This is a cube. Cube has 6 faces and 8 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a cube. Cube has 6 faces and 8 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at the corner. Okay, these called a vertex. And 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and backside it is 6. 6 faces and 8 vertex. Okay, I'm going to show you example of cube. Dice. Do you know now? What is this? This is a dice. So now you look at the dice. 1, 2, 3, and backside 4, 5, and down 6. Okay, so it has 6 faces and vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 vertex. So this is the example of cube. Now I have one more example of cube. This cube box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 6. 6 spaces and vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more 8. So 8 vertex. So this is the example of cube. Okay, next one is cuboid. Look at the picture. 6 faces and 8 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertex and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and back side 6. 6 faces. Okay, so 6 face and 8 vertex. Now I'm having example of cuboid. What is this? Yes, this is sharpener. Sharpener is the example of cuboid. Now look at the look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 vertex and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and down 6. So 6 face and 8 vertex. And one more. This is a cuboid example. Book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 vertex and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and down 6. 6 faces. So 8 vertex and 6 faces. So this is the perfect example of cuboid. Next one is cylinder. Look at the picture. Cylinder look like this. Okay. Cylinder has 2 face and no vertex. Okay. Look at the example also. This is, what is this? Water bottle. Do you know na? Okay. This is water bottle. Now 1 and 2 having 2 faces. Look at the picture. 1 and 2. Example 1 and 2. 2 faces and no vertex. Okay. 2 faces and no vertex. One more example of cylinder. 2 faces. 1 and 2 down. 1 and 2. This is the one more example of cylinder. Now next one is sphere. Next one is sphere. This is sphere. Look at the picture. This is sphere. No faces and no vertex. It has no face and no vertex. Now look at the example. This is very good. This is a ball. Ball and football is the example of sphere. Okay, children? Okay, last one is cone. Okay, this is cone. Cone has one face and one vertex. It has one face, this is a face, and one vertex, this is a vertex. Now I'm having an example of cone. Look at this. What is this? Yes, you're right. This is birthday cap. What is this? Down. What is this? This is face. And what is this? This is vertex. Okay. So now, okay children, so these are solid shapes and their example. I hope you all are understand it very well. Now here I am having some exercise for you. So it is exercise time. So take out your copy and do it. Okay children, so first exercise is draw the following 2D or plane shapes and color it. First is square. Draw a square and fill the color. Second one is circle. Third one is triangle. And fourth one is oval. So draw the shapes and color it. Next exercise is draw the following 3D shapes, 3D or solid shapes and color it. Okay, first is cube. Draw cube here and fill the color. And then is sphere. Draw a sphere and color it. And next cone and then cylinder. Now next exercise I am having for you match the following shapes. Okay, tell me children, what is this? Very good, this is square. Now tell me, which thing is look like a square? Yes, you're right, carrom board. Carrom board look like a square. Now what is this? Yes, you're right, this is circle. Now tell me which thing is looking like a circle? Yes, you're right, watch. This is clock. Very good. Match circle with the clock. And third one is cone. Very good. This is cone. Now Tell me which thing is looking like this? Very good. Birthday cap. So match it with birthday cap. Next one is cuboid, and then cylinder, and then oval. So do yourself. So do by own. Okay children? So now this is homework time. This is your homework. Find out two examples of plane shapes and two examples of solid shapes and write down their name also. Okay class, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.